country fell asleep, but they scream woke. We're distracted by vaccines and TV shows, politics, celebrity gossip, popular neat quotes. Black lives, white lives, which lives mean most? We only dedicate one day to remember our fallen soldiers, the men and women who died young. But if you come out the closet as Caitlyn Jenner, you're a hero and you get a whole Pride Month. The most dangerous pandemic's propaganda from these clowns. Only mask that's gonna save us is duct tape on their mouths. Don't speak. We don't need to defund police, need to defund the media who lies through their teeth like Big Pharma doesn't cure you, dog, cause every patient that gets cured is a customer lost. And big oil runs the world, the only wars that get fought are with the countries who have natural resources they want. Heard him claiming if a white man braids his hair and likes rap, he's appropriating culture. But if a white man acts too white, he's white trash. He's a racist, he's a bigot, he's a monster. Let's just have the conversation. Not every liberal is dumb, not all Republicans are racist. The government wants everybody fighting with their neighbors, cause they know that if we get along, we'll probably go against them. They can't stop us, cause we're ready to fight, trying to brainwash us. But we won't let freedom die. The whole world's brainwashed. Everybody pick a team, start a riot in the streets. The whole world's brainwashed. It's us against them, it ain't you against me. How did monkeys become people and people turned into sheep? They put fluoride in the water that's keeping us all asleep. Claim they want what's best for us, I find it hard to believe, cause they've been selling us cigarettes since we was 18. Fake news, fake woke, distract and divide. You're either right or you're left, or you're black or you're white. Big tech don't need a microchip to hack in your life, cause the phone inside your pocket is a tracking device. And I don't know what I'm more sick of, rappers or Joe Biden looking like he ate 100 Xanax for dinner. Cause censoring the president and kicking him off Twitter is a bigger threat to freedom than foreign ballistic missiles. You don't trust the police or the government, but you want people giving up their right to own a firearm. Why would you be comfortable if police and the government the only people on the planet with the right to buy a gun? White privilege getting amplified to reinforce division. It convinces white people that they're favored by their skin, and black people getting angry cause they're told they're treated different. So the conflict is between us and never with the system. Let's just have the conversation. Not every liberal is dumb, not all Republicans are racist. The government wants everybody fighting with their neighbors, cause they know that if we get along, we'll probably go against them. They can't stop us, cause we're ready to fight, trying to brainwash us. But we won't let freedom die. The whole world's brainwashed. Everybody pick a team, start a riot in the streets. The whole world's brainwashed. It's us against them, it ain't you against me. Step 1, train the people only to consume. Step 2, infiltrate adults with the news. Step 3, indoctrinate the children through the schools and the music and the apps on the phones that they use. Step 4, separate the right from the left. Step 5, separate the white from the black. Step 6, separate the rich from the poor. Use religion and equality to separate them more. Step 7, fabricate a problem, made a lie. Step 8, put it on the news every night. Step 9, when people start to fight and divide, take control. This is called situational design. They can't stop us, cause we're ready to fight, trying to brainwash us. But we won't let freedom die. The whole world's brainwashed. Everybody pick a team, start a riot in the streets. The whole world's brainwashed. It's us against them, it ain't you against me. They separate us from our neighbors and they call it social distancing. It's actually a bigger plan, it's called social conditioning. They took away our privacy, there's always someone listening. They're rigging the elections, planning riots for the citizens. The government has always lied, it's history repeating. But the problem is the schools dumb you down so you believe them. If you try to speak the truth inside a tweet, then they delete it. Whole administration Satanists who claim they praise in Jesus. Every year there's a new name for enemies that we're facing. It's Al-Qaeda, then ISIS, and now American patriots. Who would have thought those who love the country the most would be hated on by folks who call America home? Both political parties are equally just as evil. They've been working for themselves, don't give a damn about the people. Black, white, yellow, brown, humanity needs you. Cause united we stand, divided they will defeat you. The man on the news says the problem is me. I'm just a small town boy with big American dreams. The world's going crazy and they lying to us. Don't know who to believe, so
Y'all missing what was written in them pages. That was history they wrote, now you wanna change it. You racist, you hate this. Why you want us all to be locked up in cages? I can't stand the left, everything they say's depressing. Ship them to the Middle East, they can learn oppression. Believe me, I mean this quite literal. I love liberty, but I hate white liberals. Wear a mask, stay home, complain and moan. Talk about privilege on your phone in your Range Rover, Starbucks, mango, foo-foo, whatever. The cloth I'm cut from can handle any weather. You just paper in the rain, we ain't the same. Stand for the flag, only kneel when I pray. I just pray we go back to the old days, land of the free, home of the brave.
The man on the news says the problem is me. I'm just a small town boy with big American dreams. The world's going crazy and they lying to us. Don't know who to believe, so in God we trust.
Yeah. I see through all the illusions, refuse to hear rumors or accept that we're losing. Easy to get caught up, consumed by the consumer. Truth is so diluted, people starve off the confusion. Comfort is the killer, your dreams execution. Cool with persecution if I make a contribution. Home of the brave look like a mental institution, and there will be revolution if we can't find resolution. And a threat is a promise, stand up, pay homage. They tell lies, I'm being honest, test of time is upon us. I know that God got us, so I'm fighting in his honor. Hear the cries of the crusaders as we're strapping up our armor. Either set sail to higher ground or drown in a drama. If I die for what I love, then my death will be nirvana. We fighting for our freedom, don't believe what they've been feeding. Be the change you wanna see, the warrior that we're needing.
The man on the news says the problem is me. I'm just a small town boy with big American dreams. The world's going crazy and they lying to us. Don't know who to believe, so in God we trust. We don't trust the news, the government, or pharma. We just want freedom that you have that to offer. We don't want the lies, the politics, or the drama. We just want the life that was promised by our fathers. We don't trust the news, the government, or pharma. We just want freedom that you have that to offer. We don't want the lies, the politics, or the drama. We just want the life that was promised by our fathers. The man on the news says the problem is me. I'm just a small town boy with big American dreams. The world's going crazy and they lying to us. Don't know who to believe, so in God we trust. I ain't giving up. They can try and tear me down, but that will never be enough. Till every bone breaks and I'm covered in blood. I'ma fight till my heart don't pump. Every night that the light don't come, I'ma rise like I'm the sun. I'ma grind my knife, I'ma shine my gun. I'ma dry my eyes, never bite my tongue. I'ma climb to the heights and I'll strike at dawn. I'm a soldier loaded, so devoted, only focused on the goals I've chosen. What is most important is forward motion. I ain't never slowing down for no more explosions. On a warship floating in the coldest ocean. Storm rolled in and my clothes are soaking. Y'all don't want a war when the snow starts blowing and my hands are frozen to the guns I'm holding. Bow.
I won't give up, I won't turn around. Tell them if I ain't enough, let them shoot me down.
And my whole life I ran from the fight, 'cause my whole life I lost every time. But
I won't give up, I ain't backing down.
I ain't giving up. All my time it took too much. All that grind I kicked up dust, left you behind like, so what? I make moves, you ride my wave. I quit now, you just dead weight. No umbrella, safety's off. I'ma have to let it rain. I'm waiting for the door to open. On the other side with 2 guns loaded. Looking at the time like it's almost the moment. Cross that line, I'ma off my opponent. Condolence. Take that L and hold it. Wave that flag, you fold it. You know it, you drowning in this ocean.
I won't give up, I won't turn around. Tell them if I ain't enough, let them shoot me down.
ammunition. I ain't giving up until they kill me or I win it. If I gotta be a soldier, I'ma be a soldier. Praise the Lord and pass the ammunition. I ain't giving up until they kill me or I win it. If I gotta be a soldier, I'ma be a soldier. I won't give up, I won't turn around.
Tell them if I ain't enough, let them shoot me down.
And my whole life I ran from the fight, 'cause my whole life I lost every time. But
I won't give up, I ain't backing down.
Never gonna calm down, never gonna break down, never gonna calm down, never gonna break down.
Yeah, never move, never flinch. Been through hell to get here, I ain't giving up an inch. You weren't there before I ever wrote a verse. Had to hop on a train just to make my way to work. No home, no license at all. No phone, who cares? I had no one to call. Worked so hard, I had drive like a car. Been through every season, but I never seen the fall. Autumn don't come too often for me. And when the wind blows, I don't fall off the tree. I don't burn like the leaves, I just grow like the spring. Never fold or retreat, hold it down like a G. Yeah, always win like a 3-P. Put my music on repeat. Been down, came back around, made it to the top. Now they all line up just to see me.
Never gonna calm down, never gonna break down, never gonna calm down, never gonna break down.
most people been to hell and back. I went to hell and stayed there. Caught my jacket on a branch and waited in the flames scared. Demons started closing in and devils never play fair. I made it out alive, I ain't the same, now I got gray hair. What doesn't kill you makes you stronger if you're tough enough. It's hard to comprehend when you consider even metal rust. You still gotta thug it out. I ain't getting out the water, fight the sharks till I drown. Never run away from nothing, I'm a man, it's how it has to be. I'll only leave to lead the evil away from my family. The alcohol and partying have obviously damaged me, but I ain't giving up, you'd have to kill me to cancel me. None of us are getting out alive, man, that's real true. The first cut is the worst, but they all feel new. Tough times don't last, tough people do. Man, you got the vision, just go see it through.
Never gonna calm down, never gonna break down.
I've been climbing to the moon, right now I'm deep inside the clouds. People crowding around my ladder, shaking it to bring me down. Don't need an army, I'm a soldier, packed a million different rounds. When I finally blow the motor, then my feet will hit the ground. And I'ma run like I ain't never run before in my life. Like I'm 14, drunk and jumping fences all night. Cause a warrior's destiny doesn't end with a fight. It makes him stronger than he's ever been before in his life.
My lights go brighter than the light pole. You should know I'm cooler than what's cool, ice cold. I don't break down, I just hit the ground, I'm running. Ever since a youngin', always kept it 100. Look, I don't know the speed limit. Only time I look back is just to see what we did. I'm writing a book. You don't get to read it cause I sing it in these hooks, but you know it when you hear it in my voice, they all look.